And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some deep fried curried chicken wings, and I'm really excited to share this recipe with you. It combines my two favorite things, which is curry and chicken wings. So today I seasoned my chicken wings with some MSG. I know that a lot of people don't use MSG in their food, and that's absolutely fine. You don't have to use it. I like it in my food, so I used it. I also added some salt, some Caribbean spice and roasted garlic seasoning, some chili powder, some blended up garlic and onion and pepper, some green seasoning, and also some geera. I've also gone ahead and added brand Juliana's spicy curry powder, and I've also added brand Juliana's curry seasoning as well. They sent me these products and I'm so excited to use them, and I chose to make some deep fried curried chicken wings with them. As always, all of the ingredients and measurements are in the description box below for you to follow along. Alright, now that my oil is on my stove and it has been heated up, I put about 3 cups of oil in there. There's a lot of noise in the background, it's just that the fan is on, and that's because we have a gas stove. So now that my oil is hot, I'm going to lightly, I also have it on medium heat, I'm going to lightly put in my chicken wings to deep fry. So at this point, it's been cooking for 7 minutes covered. As you can see, it's gotten brown now. If it needs to get more brown, all you have to do is leave it uncovered and just allow it to cook more until it's the color that you like. So now I'm just going to remove this from the stove and add some more chicken wings. Go ahead and cover it, and once again I'm going to allow it to cook for about 7 minutes. At 7 minutes I'm going to uncover it. If it still needs to brown, I'm going to allow it to brown uncovered. Alright guys, so this is our finished product, our deep fried chicken wings. When I tell you these taste delicious even without being tossed with any sauce, they are so flavorful and delicious even on its own. I'm not going to toss all of them with sauce, but I'm just going to put aside some of them and toss them with some homemade sauce. So what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna put aside some in a bowl and give it a toss. So in a bowl, I've added some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, some brown sugar, and brand Juliana's hot curry pepper sauce. Now, when I tell you that this is very spicy, it is very spicy, but with the mixture of the brown sugar and the barbecue sauce and the ketchup, it really does balance it out. So at this point, I've added some chicken wings to a bowl, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of my sauce. I'm just going to give it a nice shake, 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 so that the sauce can go all around. Wow, that looks so delicious, and on top of that, it tastes really delicious as well. So whether you want it with sauce, whether you want it without sauce, it is entirely up to you which one you choose. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and you give it a try at home. Go ahead and check out brand Juliana and all of their products. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to their Instagram and to their Facebook, so you can check out all of their spices and their seasonings for yourself. I hope you go ahead and give this recipe a try, and if you do, go ahead and tag me at Rebecca's Cookup on Instagram so I can repost all of your yummy recreations. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.